SPORTBIT Pilates Flexbands Set with bag and eBook. Best resistance bands. Yes, resistant bands are used within Pilates. Now, this product is a wonderful addition to any Pilates home gym. Pilates Flex Bands take up little to no space and are highly portable. With this equipment, you will be okay to practice Pilates at home, at the gym, at a local park, or even in the office. The Flex Bands by SPORTBIT are made of quality latex. The bands are 10 inches and the pack includes 4 different levels. The length of these bands is the optimum length to support a wide array of Pilates practitioners. With this device, you can expect to get just the right amount of stretch to create the right amount of resistance. They are also flexible, and so once the size matches up, you should have a comfortable workout. In the same light, if the sizing is off, it will be quite uncomfortable. For women who are doing exercises such as glute bridges, you may notice that it rolls up. Other than that, this product is one of the best of its kind. Pros: great length, made of quality latex, great for creating resistance. Cons: may have sizing issues which can make it uncomfortable.